Hello everyone, and welcome to another Windows tutorial, the wonders of Windows tutorials. And today I felt like I just needed to make this video. So this will be a video on the secrets of Windows Start. What you basically didn't know about Windows Start. So straight away, I'm just going to head over to Start button right here, but you're going to right click on it, and then you see this menu come up, and then I'm just going to walk you through um all of them. Yeah, so first of all, just going to go to apps and features, and then it's redirected to the settings app. So yeah, you can see the apps I have on my computer and the features as well. Yes, so that this is just like a way for you to see um apps and features and what's basically taking space, apps you don't need, and all that. Just going to move that, and then if I go back again, I'm going to right click, and then you can see mobility center. So I'm just going to click on that, and then it just shows you this quick settings on like basic, the I think the most used part of the Windows. Even though yeah, people use it on their computers, but you can see it has display brightness here. You might not be able to tell, but actually not doing anything to my own computer, but I can use the brightness settings on my keyboard to reduce it. I don't know why it doesn't work, but same is not the case for the volume. I can use this over this icon over here to adjust settings to anyone I like, and I can also use settings and so that it moves, but the same is not the case for my brightness. And then I can also use my battery, power saver, high performance, but put it to balanced. And then it also has the display settings, the sync settings, and presentation settings as well. So yes, and then I'm going to keep right clicking, and then we also have power options, so it will also redirect you again to Windows settings, to the power and sleep setting, and then you can see it for yourself. Okay, and there's also events view. When I first saw this, I thought it was like a list of events that you have, or it can help you plan it, but that's actually not what it's about. Just let's double click. Okay, and then it says that it's adding a snapping, and here we are, an event view. I was shocked when I saw this. I not really sure what it's for, but I guess it's just one of those in Windows things that people don't usually use, and I think it's for a specific group of people that use Windows for those. So we're going to go to system now. It will redirect you to settings again, and then you can see all about your computer and all that. Anyway, if you're finding this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Helps to grow the channel and working towards our goal of 3,000 subscribers by year 2025. So also going to the device manager, and then it's loading up right now. Okay, and yeah, it basically shows you every single thing in your computer, from the audio inputs, outputs, batteries, and all this. It just basically shows you everything that your computer uses to, well, make your Windows experience as smooth as possible. So if I right click again, this shows okay, just get rid of that quick. Okay, let me just click on that. If I go to network connections, also redirects me back to Windows again, and it shows that I'm not connected, which is true because I'm not connected to any network now. And yeah, there are also advanced network settings available right now. And yeah, I went really in depth on the Windows settings. You can check that out. It's actually my most viewed video, and with 150 views. So I really appreciate you guys for checking out that video too. So we're going to disk management. So it just shows you your disk and all this. Like I said, it's just one of those inside Windows things that just here. So if I also go to computer management, and yeah, you can see this as well, system tools and all that, storage, disk management, and yeah, this is basically all of that. Yeah, if you're enjoying this video, you can go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps to spread the channel as far as the eyes can see. Fine, sorry, I just something pretty dumb there. So yeah, using Windows PowerShell, you know what that is. You take programming sites or Windows, kind of like command, but I think this is mostly for servers and all that. This task manager, I did a video on that. Settings, I did a video on that. File Explorer set, but there's one I haven't done anything about, which is run. So if I go there, I can do that. So it asks you to type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. This is really helpful, especially if you're having problems looking for something. But you can just type whatever you want, or you can browse it here, and then I just press OK. I already have something here. It's a complete paper background, but you can, if I click on browse, it will open, and then I can be able to check what I want. So I'm still taking to the complete paper background that I have, and I'm just going to press OK. And this might take some time to boot because 4 gigs of RAM, 124, and all that. So it may take some time to run because VLC does not run quickly on my computer. Yeah, this is taking some time to load. I sincerely want to thank you guys for 19 subscribers. That's been really amazing. And yeah, here we are. So you see, it opens it as long as you just type whatever you want to open, and as quick as you want it as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm really grateful for every single one of you who has watched my videos and who has subscribed. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one. God bless you.